manufacturing is not easy on the arms. Well, hello there. Oh, my diary from my childhood. What? It has been a long time since I've seen this. Let's see who I had a crush on when I was 10. Dear Diary, real original. Dear Diary, Daddy just came home from working at the plant, so I have to make this quick. Daddy's super tired, as usual, but I bet he'll still play with me. When I grow up, I want to work at the same company as Daddy. Well, you got your wish, kid. I want to have the same job as Daddy. Oh. And I want to be just as rich as Daddy. Oh, I thought Dad was rich. That's so cute. Talk about bursting my bubble. It's like when I found out the tooth fairy wasn't real. Actually, it's like finding out the tooth fairy is a woman and then she doesn't get paid as much as Santa Claus gets paid because he's a man. Just like in manufacturing. I'd never be rich as Daddy because I'd never get paid as much as him. And you know what the best part is, young me? When I asked my manager about the pay gap, he was like, lighten up. I read that the gender pay gap is as low as it's ever been. I was like, yeah, but when it's as low as it's ever been and it's only 68%, you know what? I'm still a little bit worried. Anyway, yesterday Daddy had to fix the dishwasher. Dude, that is not how you spell dishwasher. And he let me help him. It was super cool. When I grow up, I hope people like Daddy keep showing me how stuff works so I can fix it even better than they can. Yeah, good luck with that. You know, Dad always pushed us, but at work, Stacy, are you sure you can handle that machine? It's pretty complicated. Yeah, Mike. Just yesterday I fixed the machine, which if I'm not mistaken, you broke by overloading it. So yeah, I think I can handle it. The hardest part was pushing the dishwasher back against the wall when we were done. It was so heavy, but Daddy knew I could do it if we worked together. Daddy knew I could do it. Daddy was the last man in my life who thought I could handle something heavy. Do you need help with that, Stacy? Looks pretty heavy. If I had €1 for every time I heard that, I would buy the company. And if you ever ask your daughter to help with the freaking dishwasher, it's because you can't do it yourself. Look, it's just that some work is too rough for the ladies, okay? I mean, I know you're the fairer sex. That's why they give you all those special advantages, because you're a woman. You really said that. Advantages? Yeah, like a lack of family-friendly policies or family leave, those advantages. Also, women are weak? Really? Because a lot of women, you know, have pushed full-size babies out of their body. Calm down, Stacy. It's not everyone at work. It's not even every man at work. I mean, it's definitely Mike and Tom, but it's not everyone. You know, more men like ever are like Dad. They get it. They have daughters. They respect women. They help make progress for women. So much progress that according to the CIS, 44% of men think that they're the ones being discriminated against. What else did sweet young innocent me think? I hope they let me work at the plant. I saw Mulan at the movie theater with Susie on Saturday. Mulan, the Disney movie? In Mulan, the girl had to dress up like a boy to go to the army. To be honest, I'd much rather wear combat boots like Mulan than glass slippers like Snow White. Smart girl. Except that it was Cinderella with glass slippers, not Snow White. Will I have to dress up like a boy like Mulan if I want to go to work at the plant like Dad? No, because you get to wear one-size-fits-all overalls every single day. You don't have to dress up like a boy to go to work at the plant. You just have to look like a boy if you're going to be respected at the plant. Otherwise, that unconscious bias creeps right in. Mulan, huh? That was a few Disney princesses ago. Man, I love those movies. I still do. Although I have to admit, they've changed over the years. I mean, The Little Mermaid taught young me I didn't need a voice to get a man, but I needed to be pretty. And Frozen was like, you think you need a man? Let it go, let it go. My teacher told me that I might have trouble having daddy's job because he was in manufacturing. It's called manufacturing, not girler factoring. Wow. My teacher said that to me? So much to unpack here. First of all, that teacher did not teach me how to spell manufacturing correctly. Second, no wonder in Europe, only 30% of kids in STEAM programs are girls. And that might be why only 21% of the manufacturing sectors of scientists and engineers in the EU are women. Also, you know what, teacher? Manufacturing is man for the Latin word for hand, not man as in man. I bet you weren't the Latin teacher. I guess I hope by the time I grow up, more girls like me have jobs like daddies in manufacturing. I hope that people don't think of girl jobs or boy jobs, but just as jobs. And I hope that when girls go to work, they feel just as comfortable as boys. It's a beautiful wish. I think I still spell comfortable like that. And I hope I'm not just working there, I hope I'm the boss. Oh, young Stacy, sorry to break it to you, but if you think women are underrepresented in manufacturing, you're gonna hate to see the numbers management in manufacturing. How can we promote you when you're just gonna be off having babies? And even when we are managers, we feel singled out, like we're the only one anyone has ever seen. Not awesome. And if for some reason all of this stuff is not true that I'm hoping, then I'll get a different job. I'll go into politics. Because I know that by the time I'm grown up, there'll be just as many women in parliaments and local governments as men. This kid. Where did I think I was living? Barbie Land? Still, a beautiful wish. When will we close the gap for real? And when will we see equality not just as a goal, but as reality? And what can I do to help? But for now, I'm gonna empty the dishwasher.